Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, I just left Aldi's, right? Aldi's, right? So we got French beans, right? I saw that in there. I saw some potatoes, right? Onions, right? I grabbed some garlic. Guys, easy schmeezy. We're gonna put this all together and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna peel these off, the little ends off. No, they're not easy to eat, but that's it. Pull them off, I'm gonna pop them in half. All right, guys, so we're gonna move on to our potatoes. They're already pretty small. Probably could leave them just like that, but I'm gonna cut these in half. All right, guys, so I got a couple of pieces of bacon that I cut in half. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go in with the onions. All right, guys, it's been like a minute or so right now. I'm just gonna clear space right here, put our garlic in. Just gonna go down with a little bit of avocado oil, give it a little. And guys, I'm gonna start with 4 cups of water. And then guys, I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon. All right, guys, so we came to a boil. I just wanna get the rest of this better than bouillon off the spoon. Don't wanna waste it, right? Now I'm gonna go in with our potatoes. Going 1 teaspoon of Lawry, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic. Black pepper to taste. Then we go in with our string beans. Thing of stir. I just want to cover. That's enough. All right, so we're gonna let this go. Bring it up to a boil. Cook this 45 minutes or so at a, not a rapid boil, but a nice little rolling boil. And that's it, guys. I'll bring you guys back when that's done. Nice and soft, just like we want it. Now let's just taste our water or our pot liquor. All right, guys, that works. Let's go ahead and grab some string beans. All right, guys, and that's it. This is how I would serve this up. Put this on your plate, right? And that's a nice side, right? Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every day.